How to make background transparent. Hey guys, welcome back to Techie Raj YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you that how you can make your background transparent in just 1 minute. So guys, first thing you have to do is come to the website www.remove.bg and then select your photo, which photo you want to make background transparent. So I'll select this one. As you can see, the background color is gray. I'm selecting this photo, and then right after selecting this photo, as you can see, the photo is loading. So here is the photo. As you can see, let's download this. So I have downloaded it. Now let's open this photo. Okay, as you can see, all the background, gray background, has already removed. If we checked the previous photo, then it was gray background, as you can see. Okay, it has changed into transparent. This is how you can make your background transparent by using remove.bg website. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.